Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to MonkWeb. My name is Ayush. I am an AWS Certified Solutions Architect. Now I am making a 3 video series on what is this exam about and how much AWS do you actually need and my journey from zero to a cloud architect. So let's just get started with this first video. In this video, we're gonna see all you need to know about the exam, so the questions and all of that. So I have written some questions here. Let me share my screen with you and we can see. So here are some basic questions about the exam. Number one question is, what is SAA-C03? Well, this is a exam code for the AWS Solutions Architect certification. Previously there was another version that was SAA-C02. Now they have upgraded the version, so some questions are changed, some syllabus are changed. Okay, so this is done. I think this is the exam. And well, who is it for? It is for everyone who is interested in AWS, who is a fresher, and who is working professional as well. So this certification has a lot of credibility. If you do it and you are a fresher, it benefits a lot. Okay, so you can do even if you are interested in AWS or cloud in general. AWS acquires 70% of the cloud market, so it is highly used. So even if you are starting in cloud and you are just interested in what a cloud is, so this certification is like an associate level. And also one more certification is there which is below this, the basic one, which is the AWS Cloud Practitioner. You can do that as well. It covers some basic level of concepts, but it won't provide you that much credibility. It is just a basic certification in which you need to know some theories and stuff. Okay, so if this is what you're interested in, this certificate is for you. And wait till you get to the third video where I will share everything, my strategy, because I don't have an experience and I still cracked the certificate. And by the way, AWS recommends that you need to have 1 year at least certification to pass this, but I did it. So that's why I told you, even if you are fresher, you can do this if you believe yourself and you can study hard for this. And of course, I will let you know how to study. Just wait for that. Okay. So next is exam format. So this exam consists of 65 questions and it's of 1000 marks. So you need to score at least 720 marks, or you can say 72%, to pass this examination. And even if you get 71, you will get failed. Okay, so this is the exam format basically. And yes, all of the questions are multiple choice questions. Some options are only, you can select only one. In some question you maybe the two answers are correct, and they will specify that in the question itself, that if you have to, there are two correct answers or three correct answers as well. So they will specify that in the questions. And there is no negative marking in the examination. All right, so this is the whole exam format. Study resources, well, let me come back to that later on. First, also I forgot to tell you the pricing of the exam. This exam costs $150 without tax. So if you're watching from India, it will be around 15,000 something, and after tax it will be like 17k. So yeah, and $150, okay, without the tax. So basically, yeah, this is it. If you want any questions, just write down in the comment section. I will make a separate video or just answer them in the comment itself. Okay, now the study resources. Well, in this there are two ways. So first is you take, well, depends on if you have any knowledge of AWS or not. If you're already working, then you can just take some practice test from Udemy or Tutorials Dojo. You can practice that. So do some practice test and you will be good to go. But if you are just starting out and you don't even know what a EC2 instance is or S3 is, well, what I recommend you is do a basic course For example, a course that teaches you the basic stuff: what is EC2, what is S3, what is Lambda, why they are used, how they are used, and make some small projects so that you are familiar with the console, the AWS console. Okay, some resources if you want me to suggest, I can suggest you. Let me let me just copy here and paste. So you can do some courses like Stephen's Marek course is there. This is very famous course on Udemy. You can take that. There's another one called as I forgot the name, but yeah, you can find some basic courses on Udemy as well. And if you want them for free, just go to my YouTube channel, Mugweb, and you will find the whole AWS series, which consists of all of them is for free. All the tutorials is there, projects is there as well. So everything from basics to projects, everything is covered in my on my channel for free. Okay. So first thing is to get the theory knowledge, and you can do either of these. Stephen Marek is paid, so you have to do the subscription of the Udemy, and then go through the whole course. It is a huge course. It will take you around a week or so. Okay. Mine is relatively simpler, and it also contain projects. So if you planning to get a job afterwards, you can do these projects as well. In Stephen's course, projects are not there. Okay. All right. And also one more integration I can do. You can go to my Instagram as well, Monkweb. Same. On the Instagram, I actually share AWS one-liners. So some one-liners that you need to remember exactly for the exam. So right now there are some 32, 33 videos already, and it will be like whole 50 videos, 50 reels. So you can go there and practice that as well if you want the free path. Okay. So these are some study resources. Of course, in the third video, I'll go beyond these basics. I'll go into detail how I exactly prepared for everything. Okay, so wait for the third video. All right. So, and if you have any questions about the exam, just comment down below and I will answer that. Also, in the next video, I will explain how much AWS is actually needed, because there are over 200 tools. And do you need to go through 200 tools for this exam? Well, you will find out in the next video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Just hit the like button and hit the subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.